Alright guys, I'm heading to the station to fill up the bus and get ready to head to Ferris to the Texas Against the World drag racing. Well, I'm back on the road again, guys, and it feels good. It's been a while since I took the journey, and this is not a long trip, but it's going to be a good trip, a fun one with friends, and making memories, and looking forward to some drag racing. It's going to be a good time. Well, I made it up here. It's hot, man. It's like 92 degrees. It says the heat index is around 96. But I've been here. AC's going, cooling down. Have a cold beer, start the weekend. It's gonna be a good one. It's pretty loud here, but I'm getting ready to hit all the pits. And I always bring my e-bike, and I noticed that the tire is pretty low on this thing. I think I'm going to go ahead and put some air in it. And that brings me to this week's sponsor, Gooloo. This is a pretty cool device. It actually is a jump start box with a built-in air compressor. I haven't opened it up. Let me open this thing up and let's check it out. As soon as it's got like a real nice case. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's a pretty cool setup there. Looks like it's got a nice light in the end of it. And then I think there's going to be a place to plug in. Yeah, right here. It's a place to plug in for jumping a car, which it also includes a user manual. And it's got a whoops. And it's got the thing to inflate your tires with. Looks like it screws in right here on the top. And then it's got a charger for it to recharge it. Looks like it's USB-C. And then we got the cord to hook it to a battery to jump it. So that's pretty cool. Let me get the hose on here and let's pump up these tires. There he goes. Set the actual PSI that you want it to go to, and then you just let it go, and it'll stop when it's there. It's a really cool device. I'll see you over the weekend if anybody can use it on their drag race car, or possibly need to jump a battery off. Here's our crew with all the race cars.
Hey, first of all, I just want to thank you guys all for coming. Get in here out in the sun a little bit. There's a lot of room in here. If you are in the sun, get in there. There's plenty of room.
Look at this. Look at this guy. what they're about to do is they're taking these cars, doesn't matter what class you race in, and putting them on 165 tires so they can try to get down the drag strip on them. Some of these cars are super fast, so it's going to be fun to watch. Woo! Hold your arms still.
For the largest Volkswagen drag racing event in the country, right here in Detroit.
Round two, brother. Hey, watch his tires on that side.
Recipe for speed, I don't know what it is.
What do you need?
Austria.
adventure. Let's get on the road here in a little bit. Well, that's it, guys. Another one for the books. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the videos, and thanks to all the new subscribers. Take care, guys. Dude, what is going on with this thing? Like going back and forth like a video game. Don't touch it. It's nice and fat. Not good. Something's up. Let it off. Yay. I am 1 block from the house. I'm just kind of nursing it there. Trying to coast most of the time. When I'm coasting, it's down where it normally is. As soon as I give it any throttle, it just starts fucking skyrocketing. What the hell?